Hello and welcome, students. So, I, Kumar, welcome you again to this amazing platform where we ease your preparation. So, we are into a very important series where we have taken most important 50 questions, which is very likely you can see on your actual paper. All right. So, let's start with today's question. So, today is day 14 and we have the 14th question. All right. So, what this question is, so basically, this question is from the chapters of mensuration and geometry, we can say. So what this question is, let's see. So the question says that let ABCD be a parallelogram. Okay, so ABCD is a parallelogram. The length of the sides AD and the diagonal AC are 10 and 20 respectively. So we have been provided with the length of the side AD and of AC, which are 10 and 20 respectively. If the angle ADC is equals to 30 degree, then the area of the parallelogram is. So first of all, let's draw a diagram of it. It's very important to use the DRS method. DRS means decoding, reshaping, and then solving. Decoding means understanding the question. Reshaping means if it is having a diagram, if it has a equation, then draw it, and then we have to solve it. Solving is not the mere thing that we have to do. We have to understand it also. So suppose this is a parallelogram. Okay, this is A, B, C, and this is D. Okay, now they have said that the length of AD. Okay, the length of side AD. So this is 10. Okay, and the diagonal AC. So this diagonal they have given, the length of diagonal AC is what it is 20. And if the angle ADC, okay, we have been given with this angle. If the angle ADC is 30 degree, then the area of the parallelogram is. Okay, so we basically have to get the area of the parallelogram. So by any means, if I'm able to get the area of this triangle, ठीक है, आप कुछ भी कर लो, suppose आपको area of a triangle मिल गया, your job will be done. So how to do it? ठीक है, ये कैसे मिलेगा, मतलब how one can get the area of a triangle. So for area of a triangle, okay, now first of all I'll be using the concept of cosine formula. Okay, now there are many ways of doing it. ऐसा नहीं कि आप cosine formula जरूरी है, ठीक है, but I personally prefer cosine formula. Now what cosine formula is, suppose I'm saying this is side x. Okay, so we can write that the value of cos 30 will be what? The value of cos 30. So cos 30 is between this two sides, so it will be 10 square plus x square minus 20 square whole divided by will be what? It will be 2 times of 10 into x. Okay, so I have simply used the cosine formula cos 30. Okay, it is 10 square plus x square minus 20 square upon 2 times of 10 into x. Now we know that the value of cos 30 is what? It is root 3 by 2. So this and this will be cancelled. Okay, so now we will be left with the equation. So we'll have 10 root 3x. Okay, simply I have multiplied it. 10 root 3x is equals to, now this is 10 square, which is 100. This is 20 square, that's 400. So we'll have a quadratic equation x square minus 300. Or we can say that, or if we'll further simplify it, so what we'll have x square minus 10 root 3x minus 300 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation that we have got. Now if I'll be solving this quadratic equation, I'll be getting the value of x. Okay, now once I will calculate the value of x. So for that we'll be using the quadratic formula. So what will be the value of x? X will be minus of b. So minus of b will be 10 root 3 plus minus under root of b square. So under root of b square yani 10 100 into 3, it will be 300 minus of 4ab. ठीक है, so ये minus और ये minus मिलकर multiply हो जाएगा, it will be 1200 and the whole will be divided by 2 times of a, so it will be 2. So 1200 और ये 1300, it will be 1500 overall. ठीक है, so root 1500 हमारे पास आ जाएगा, root 1500. Now if you'll solve it, so you'll have 10 root 15. So finally the value of x I'll be having is, the value of x will be 10 root 3. Now here both signs are there. Okay, plus is also there and minus is also there. But what will happen if I'm taking minus sign? So this is 10 root 15. Okay, 1500 can be written as 10 root 15. Or if you'll simplify this, it will be 10 root 15. Now from 10 root 3, if I'll be subtracting minus of 10 root 15, so I'll be getting a negative value, and it is a side of a parallelogram, right? So side of a parallelogram can never be negative. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज का साइड कभी नेगेटिव तो होता नहीं है. सो द ओनली वैल्यू ऑफ x आई विल बी टेकिंग इज इट विल बी x 10 root 15 divided by 2, or you can say that it will be 5 root 3 plus 5 root 15. Okay, 5 root 3 plus 5 root 15. Now I have the value of base x. ठीक है, अगर मान लो मैंने कोई तरीके से, अगर मान लो इसका हाइट भी फाइंड आउट कर लिया, so my job will be done. Suppose I am naming it as p. So what will be the value of p? अगर ये एक ट्रायंगल है, इन ट्रायंगल APD, can we say in triangle APD? Okay, in triangle APD, this is my perpendicular, this is my hypotenuse, and this is theta. So can we say that sine theta will be AP upon AD which is 10, or the value of AP will be what? So the value of sine 30 half हो जाएगा, so AP will be what? It will be 5. So height of this parallelogram is 5, base is 5 root 3 plus 5 root 15. So what will be the area of the parallelogram? The area of the parallelogram is simply the product of height. Okay, we just got AP and at the height, so it will be 5 times of 5 root 3 plus 5 root 15. Simplifying it, what will have? It will be 25 root 3 plus 25 root 15. So to this beautiful question, what the answer is? Answer is option B. So it is, though it is of mensuration, okay, but here we have used the application of geometry also, oh sorry, trigonometry also. अब अगर आपको ये नहीं पता ना, तो if you can simply draw this diagram, ठीक है, आप तब भी ऐसे ही कर सकते हो. ये 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा, ये 60 डिग्री हो जाएगा. यूज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सिंपल ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एंड देन आल्सो यू कैन गेट टू एन आंसर. आप इस केस में इसके यहाँ पर हाइट बना लेना ऐसे. ऑलराइट, सो दिस वाज डेज 14 क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. सो आई बिलीव द क्वेश्चन मस्ट बी क्लियर. ठीक है, इसमें हमने एक स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी यूज किया था, दैट वाज कोसाइन फॉर्मूला. व्हाट वाज इट? लेट्स हैव अ रिकैप ऑफ इट. सो सपोज यू नो दैट दिस इज थीटा. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this value C. So the value of cos theta will be what? Cos theta will be A square plus B square minus C square. Means the side which is opposite to it divided by 2AB. It will be subtracted. So this is what cosine formula is. Alright. So that's all we have for today's session. So thank you for watching, and if you want to crack CAT 2024 GD and PI to get into your top IM and your desired B school in just first attempt, so for the personalized approach, link to join is in the description. Also, if you want any specific question, any specific topic to be discussed, please use the comment box to reach us. So thank you and have a nice day ahead, everyone.